Help, help, help. Help me, please. Help yourself. Bank. What's that big building between the bank and the bookstore? It's a black bank. The thumb. Tell me the thumb. It's 10:22. Do. Daisy, what did you do yesterday? Had a bad cold and stayed in bed. Cheese. Children love cheese. Children love cheese.